Jamaica is on the verge of not advancing to another FIFA World Cup following a dramatic 2-1 defeat to Mexico at the National Stadium on Thursday. Karen Madden was there.
Heartbreak here at the National Stadium after the Jamaicans gave up a 50th minute lead to go down 2-1 to the Mexicans. The small army in the stadium erupted when Daniel Johnson gave the Jamaicans that 50th minute lead. Jamaica had been playing with 10 men after Damian Lowe was shown a straight red card after a VAR review with 1 minute of extra time left in the first half. It was a day on which the Reggae Boys could have used their 12th man in the stands. Instead, they had only a couple government ministers, the JFF hierarchy, media workers, and the volunteers. In fact, for much of the half, the Jamaicans barely got a respite from the Mexicans, who camped out in the hosts' half of the field for extended periods. Then, with only stoppage time to play, experienced defender Damian Lowe created dubious history, becoming the first player to be ejected the first time VAR was being used at the National Stadium.
They are still in their pre-season, and some of the players just couldn't manage anymore because some of the players are in season, some of the players are out of season. So we had to force, when the players put their hand up and said, I can't go on anymore, I have to respect that, and I just have to replace them with like for like. Now, maybe it affected us, maybe it didn't. I mean, but we still went 1-0 up, and we still had a few minutes to really be resolute. And sadly, we just couldn't manage to keep the ball out the back of the net.
Like Hall, Captain Andre Blake was disappointed with the result and particularly peeved by the refereeing.
I mean, it's in the past, and we're just going to have to use these things as motivation and to understand that we're never going to get anything. Nobody respects us. It's embarrassing, you know, but it is what it is, and we're going to have to just not get bitter, but get better and just use it to advantage and know that, you know, nowhere we go, no matter who we play, we're never going to get anything. It's always going to be us against the world.